Continuous leakage of the urine can be terrible for women and it can be treatable. Many women actually notices that there is continuous leakage of urine, especially after childbirth, difficult labor, surgery and radiation. There is constant flow of urine which is coming out through the vagina without patient notice. This can lead to skin excoriation, irritation of the skin, burning in urine and repeated urinary infection. All this can be treated easily and this condition is known as vesicovaginal fistula or urethrovaginal fistula. It can be very well treated with minimal invasive surgery like robotic surgery, which help immensely because both vagina as well as bladder are pelvic organ. Robotic surgery can help in treating these diseases with good precision and outcome. So, continuous leakage of urine is not the destiny. It can be treated to restore patients' dignity and confidence.